In the stunning landscapes of the Indonesian islands lies a fascinating enigma, the Komodo dragon, a massive ancient lizard that is both mesmerizing and intimidating. As apex predators, they dominate their environment, but their striking appearance conceals a lurking danger. Known scientifically as Varanus komodoensis, the Komodo dragon holds the title of the largest living lizard species on the planet, with lengths reaching up to 10 feet and weights that can soar to 330 pounds. They embody the raw power and ferocity of the natural world. These remarkable creatures are opportunistic carnivores, hunting a wide array of prey, including deer, wild boar, and buffalo, as well as smaller animals like birds and reptiles. They are also known to feast on carrion, making the most of available food sources. In certain situations, these lizards may display cannibalistic tendencies, consuming other Komodo dragons, particularly younger or weaker individuals, or when food is in short supply. The teeth of the Komodo dragon are not only sharp, but also serrated, allowing them to easily rip through the flesh of their victims. Additionally, their teeth are reinforced with a layer of iron, enhancing their durability and lethality. Their saliva is a cocktail of harmful bacteria and potent toxic proteins. This toxin disrupts blood clotting in their prey, leading to severe bleeding and shock. A single bite can be deadly if not addressed promptly. Komodo dragons possess an extraordinary sense of smell, capable of detecting carrion from as far as 10 kilometers away. This keen ability is crucial for locating food in their expansive habitat. You can find Komodo dragons exclusively on a few Indonesian islands, including Komodo, Rinca, Kode, Motang, and Padar. Komodo National Park is home to the largest population of these incredible reptiles and serves as a vital conservation area dedicated to protecting this unique species. Interactions between humans and Komodo dragons can sometimes be risky. While attacks on people are uncommon, they are still a possibility. These magnificent reptiles may become aggressive if they feel threatened, disturbed, or extremely hungry. A bite from a Komodo dragon can lead to severe injuries and serious infections. Their saliva contains toxins that can result in significant bleeding, tissue damage, and even death if not treated quickly and effectively. If a Komodo dragon does attack, it's crucial to seek medical help right away. The wound needs to be cleaned and treated with antibiotics to prevent a rapid spread of infection, as the bacteria in their saliva can be quite harmful. Komodo dragons are incredible animals, representing the strength and beauty of the natural world. However, it's important to remain aware of the risks they can pose. By learning about their behavior and traits, we can coexist with these creatures in a safe and respectful manner.